Hello there, beautiful one. My name is Faith Hunter, and I want to welcome you to a very gentle breathing, movement, and pause for meditation practice to help regulate your nervous system. Know that you can do this particular practice sitting on the floor, or you can also do this in a chair. So find your comfortable seat. Place your palms on your legs and know that you have the option to keep your eyes open. You can slightly cast your gaze down, or you can completely close your eyes, whatever feels best for you. We're just going to start off by noticing our current breathing pattern. So just notice how your breath is flowing in and out, and if your heart is racing, if your breath is short, don't judge it. Just notice it for the next few seconds. How it comes in, how it's flowing out. And even if your heart is beating fast, you may even want to place one hand over the center of your chest. And then join me in taking a deep breath in through your nose. And as you exhale, let out a big sigh. Oh. 3 more times like that. Deep breath in through the nose. Big sigh. Oh. 2 more of these amazing audible sounds. Breathing in. Oh. And last one. Slowly breathe in. Big sigh. Oh. And then if your hand is on the center of your chest, I want you to release it and bring it back to your leg. You're going to find some gentle movement with the shoulders. So you're just going to gently roll the shoulders up towards your ears and soften them down. Roll them up towards your ears and soften. Now as you take this movement, I want you to breathe in and out of your nose really slowly. Relax the tongue in your mouth. And then return to center. You're going to move your head now gently from right to left. And so as you inhale, you can turn to one side. And then as you exhale, shift to the other. Inhaling to one side. Exhaling to the other. Now keep the chin parallel to the earth. Maintain an elongated spine. A few more rotations. A few more breaths as you move your head from right to left. And then come back to center. Take another breath in through the nose. Exhale out a big sigh again. And then your legs can remain crossed if you are sitting on the floor. But if you want to move your legs in another position, you totally can. Another option if you're sitting on the floor is to bring the soles of the feet together for this and draw the heels in as close as it feels comfortable. Now, if you're feeling a lot of tightness here, and you're going to stay here for a while with me, I encourage you to place blocks or books right underneath your thighs. Yep. So any seated position works. You're simply going to shift your upper body from right to left. And of course, if you're in your chair, you're just moving the spine right to left, but it's kind of lazy. It's not that perfect flow. It's extremely organic. And what you find is that you start to feel a little more open here. Breathing deep in the arms may come into play. You reach one arm over and then the other arm. And then at some point, you find your way back to center. Pause for another breath. Inhale. Exhale out a big sigh. And then I want you to gently take a twist to your right side. And so the right hand may come behind you or right to your right hip. The left hand can rest on your thigh or your knee. It's just a gentle twist. If you want to take your head all the way around, feel free to do so, but that's not required. It's very gentle and easy. One more breath here. Come back to center, breathing in through your nose. Exhale a big sigh. All right, let's go to the other side. The breath again is flowing in and out of your nose. You drop the left hand behind you, right hand comes to your leg. One more breath. Bring your body back to center. Take another deep breath in through your nose. Another big sigh. And then take your left hand over the center of your chest and bring your right palm on top. Just feel a softness move across your shoulders. And again, the eyes can remain open, slightly cast down, or completely closed. Whatever feels right, best for you. And I want you to bring awareness to the soles of your feet. Notice any sensations and tingling as the awareness shifts into your calf muscles and your knees. And then bring your awareness into your hips. Allow yourself to feel a little more rooted and grounded into the earth as you breathe in and out of your nose. Allowing your internal awareness to move into the belly, the spine, and your chest. And again, notice any tingling or sensations that are moving through your body. As your hands rest at your heart, you feel the sweetness of your own heartbeat, reminding you that you are safe in this moment, you are cared for, you are loved, and you are being cradled by my voice. Soften the shoulders a little more. And then begin to express gratitude for taking time to calm and soothe your nervous system, to breathe deeper into your body, and to be present with your breath and your heart. Take a deep inhale. Exhale a big sigh. Allow your hands to fall. And I want to thank you so much for joining me. Stay spiritually fly. Ciao.